Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how I created the manipulation you saw in the thumbnail, but I'll be creating a video how I made this. Now the design, it doesn't look beautiful, but I did a bit of manipulation because this image was just half, but I was able to extend the image to make it this length. Now I even erased it when I just come here, and for you to just see, let me reset. Now you can see how it is now. This image was not like this. It was just half up to this somewhere around here. I was the one that just extended somewhere around here, so I just did a bit of manipulation on it here in Pixellab. I'll show you how I did that in another video. So let's just get over with this one. So this is my element I need. So the first thing I'll be doing is change my background color to black. Okay, so I'll now stretched. However, that was for a church. It was a church design for a particular church. Okay, so I'll send this to the back. Okay, however, I'm not liking the color. I'm not liking the effect I'm seeing on it. So I will just okay, let me just come here to erase. Okay, let's now stretch it out to this. Okay, let's leave it at this angle. All right, so I think I'll just lock it. So this other guy, I'll just lock it. So I'll just come here, bring in a shape. Then I'll just put my shape somewhere around here. All right, so it's been a while since I come to perspective. Just enable my perspective. Just move this here. Maybe I'll just move it towards that line. So I'll just keep it this way. Then I'll just come back to edit, change the color. So I'll just give it a bright yellow. Okay, so I'll give it this way. I'll just click on OK. Now remember, I've already used perspective on it, so I'll just come to shadow, edit my shadow. So I'll just make it this. I can just brighten my shadow too. It's cool, right? Okay, so I'll just leave it like this. Just enable this and put it here. All right, so I'll come here, double click on this, position it here. So I'll double click on this, also position it somewhere around. Okay, let's see how okay, it's kind of glow. So just position this one somewhere around. We need to be mindful of our arrangement, so let's just bring this. Okay, so we'll just move this one here. All right, so we are good with this. So the next thing, I'll just bring in the image of my guy. I'll move it to the front. I'll increase it a bit, still increase it. I want it to touch the edge. So make sure it's also here. All right, now that it's like this, so the next thing, I'll come here and I'll also, okay, let's just put this guy here. Use this relative position, put it here. So I'll copy, duplicate it, also relative position, just come here and click on double tap on this. So okay, now that we have it, I'll just lock the two of them. So for this one, let me hide the first one, the one under the first one. So I'll come to this, then I'm trying to achieve something that looks like yellow. I think this is somehow like yellow 41. Then I'll increase the saturation. Okay, then also increase the brightness. All right, it's already look like yellow. So now this one on front, I'll make it visible. Now the one in the front, so I'll come to eraser, increase this side here, then I will try to increase it a bit. So I'll just try and raise a particular side. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have this. Then now enable it. So you see that glow is just appearing outside the skin. So I'll just come here and lock the two of them. So I'll come here, click on my draw tool, enable the blur. So I'll just increase the size a bit, change the color to this yellow. So I'll just paint somewhere around here. Okay, now see, I've kind of painted on the face of the guy. Okay, so I'll come to eraser, paint this, erase those extra edges, then I can just come here and just erase the one on the eyes of the guy. Okay, so I'll just enable this and just paint back here. Okay, so I'll just enable it or click on OK, so I can reduce the opacity so it's not too obvious. So I've achieved my glow effect, so I can just come here and save as ultra. So you can just take it to either any of these application using enhancing your image. Mine is taking time. Wow. Okay, it's done saving. So let me just take it to Snapseed. It's been a while since I used Snapseed. I've migrated to Photoshop. So this is my image. I'll just come here, come to the structure, increase the structure, come to sharpen, sharpen my image. You can see the colors are popping out already. You know what, I'm thinking of something here. But it's not going to work. It's actually not going to work. So I'm trying to change the background color for this. Instead of this white, let me change the color to yellow. Okay, yeah, it's better this way. You can see, just this original color, this background color. So instead of this white, you just change it to that yellow. So let me just save this one and go back and do my editing on this one with the yellow background. Now remembered when we were working on this image originally, we clicked on this background and we came to erase color. Okay, you can just, okay, yeah, this is, you can increase it to any length, you can reduce it, any of your choice, anyone that's your choice anyway. So but however, I worked with this one that I just inputted, so this new one. So I'll come to tools, come to details, increase my structure, now sharpen it a bit, then I'll just come here to tune image. Okay, I think I will increase the highlights, I want it to pop. So okay, I'll reduce the shadows, those dark areas, so they will remain dark. So okay, then I will put a touch on the ambience. Okay, so okay, I think I'll just like this, I'll just take this. All right, so I've achieved my manipulation. So that's all for this particular video. Thanks for staying tuned, and please watch out for the other video. We'll see you in the next one.